right now, keeping it local. You're watching Fox 11 News Daybreak.
Before the COVID-19 outbreak, we told you about studies that have shown personal devices like smartphones are really a big source for germs. Our tech expert, Andy Taylor, shows us some options to help keep our phones clean.
Thank you. With the concern over COVID-19 and the coronavirus, people have been asking, how do you clean your smartphones? It's a device that we put up near our face every day. Now, U of A did a study not long ago that said they found 400 times more bacteria on a smartphone than they did in a toilet seat. Good question. One thing you don't want to do, don't want to put it in a dishwasher. However, some people have made the mistake of taking their smartphones, a cleaner, and spraying it directly onto the smartphone. That is something actually you don't want to do. It's not a good practice. We'll go ahead and clean that off. The reason being is the bottom of your smartphone, you have ports. These are used for charging, sometimes headphone jacks, and that gets moisture in them. That could damage your smartphone. The best way to honestly do it is to take your smartphone, and we've taken ours out of a case, and use warm soap and water. We'll go ahead and do that, and then drain the excess, and go ahead and just run it across your smartphone. Make sure you don't get any in the ports in the bottom, but again, that is a good way to clean it. Then you want to let it dry. Now, what about disinfecting it? Well, Clorox and Lysol wipes can be used. You don't want to put bleach onto your smartphone. We'll use the Clorox wipes. These can be used for disinfecting. Apple has changed its statement regarding this, and now they're saying a 70% isopropyl alcohol mix is perfect for it. So we'll take the wipe. Also, you want to drain any excess that comes off the wipe as well, because they do have a lot of liquid in them. And go ahead and gently run across your screen. And do that gently. Same with the back. You also, while you're at it, want to go ahead and do your cases as well. They get a lot of gunk in there. You can use a toothbrush to go ahead and clean that out, or even a cleaning duster to go ahead and spray any stuff that's out there, and again, put it aside. You don't want to do this near anything that could be hazardous, but also the question is regarding mice. You share a mouse at work with somebody. How do you clean a mouse? Well, one thing to do, if it's corded, make sure you unplug it. If it's wireless, turn off the computer. You can turn it upside down, roll the wheel back and forth. That'll dislodge any gunk that's in that wheel. And then you can run a wipe over the top of that device to disinfect it. It's a policy or procedure that some people are getting to on a daily basis. Same goes with your keyboard. You can use that duster. And again, you want to use the one that does not put out, it's made for electronics, it doesn't put out any kind of liquid. But again, this cleaning duster works great. You can turn your keyboard upside down, dislodge any crumbs or anything that gets stuck in there. But again, same applies. If it's a corded keyboard, you can plug it. If it's cordless, you want to make sure your computer is off. There are products on the market. Whoosh is one of them that makes these products. It comes with the cleaner as well as the cloth. They run about $10 on the market. And again, be careful where you put your smartphone down, because then you're going to have to just disinfect it again. But some say this is something that you should do on a daily basis.
All right, Andy Taylor, thanks very much for that very important information there.